Next class you can create the grid view. First you can create the new project and go to container. Inside container grid view is there. You can drag the grid view. This is one a grid view. How to create grid view. And the second one, you can define the grid view columns. Double click on this one. You can show the number of columns. You can define the number of columns 3. This is one a grid view. This is grid view. This is grid view ID. Next go to this is XML Java file main activity. Inside main activity you can define the grid view ID, grid view space some reference name GD, any name you can define. Here you can get the XML file ID grid view GD, typecast the ID. Inside you can call from grid view. You can get the grid view ID. You can call from find view by ID method. Inside capital R dot ID dot grid view. This is grid view. This ID, this XML file ID. Next you can store the multiple values in string array. Assign the string array some array name, reference name. You can define some values, array values, comma, alphabets, letters. Alphabets values ఇందులో పాస్ చేసాం. నెక్స్ట్ యూ కెన్ కాల్ ఫ్రమ్ ArrayAdapter కి కాల్ చేయాలి. ArrayAdapter క్లాస్ ArrayAdapter కి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేసి యూ కెన్ పాస్ ద సమ్ పారామీటర్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు ArrayAdapter this comma your current class name. You can use from Android default resource Android dot capital R dot layout dot. You can define simple list item. Next comma you can pass the your array name, reference name, items. Here you can display the values. Here your grid view reference name GD dot set adapter. You can call from adapter class. Just like run it. Yeah, this is output grid view. You can show the multiple columns. You can click on any item. You can define some listener. This is one a listener GD dot here you can define a listener. So grid view reference name GD dot set on item click listener. This one inside you can pass the super class. You can click on capital O. Set on item click listener is coming. Inside you can call from, you can get the any value here showing power toast dot make test. Inside you can call from the current class name MainActivity.this comma. You can show the some value, position, just string concatenation your parent to dot. Get item at position. Inside you can call from position, which position get the value. Next you can convert from to string. comma, you can assign the duration, length long, next dot show, or otherwise you can call from, you can use from switch case. Inside switch you can call from position. Which position? You click on the position, the page navigated to individual screen. That time here you can use from cases, case 0, you can call from break. After you can define next one more case 1, next break, you can call that one. Inside case 0 you can call from intent. You can create the intent, some reference name equal to new intent. Inside your current class name dot this, comma, your target class name dot class, and next start activity. Inside you can call from intent reference name this way. Okay, I can comment this line, I can check it. Yeah, this is one a grid view listener. You can select on this one, you can show the some value. First you can go to XML file, design, you can drag the grid view, and you can assign the, double click on that one, just you can define the column names, how many columns you want, how many columns, you can define the columns 2 or 3, and you can get the ID. This is one a grid view ID inside Java class. You can first you can assign the grid view, this ID you can get the ID from XML file. This way you can call from grid view, you can find view by ID method, you can typecast the grid view type. And the second one, you can store the multiple values, you use from string array. Here you can use from ArrayAdapter class, you can ArrayAdapter, new ArrayAdapter, and this one inbuilt some XML file, you can pass the array values, and this one is showing the list view, grid view. Next here the grid view listener, this is one a grid view listener. Inside you can call from switch case, you can individual click on that position, the page navigator next, in that time you can use from switch case. This is grid view.